What are you doing? What is it, Maya?
I just want some to not smell up my nose.
You want something to not smell up your nose?
Yes.
What smells?
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut? You don't like the smell of sauerkraut?
Yeah, Buffalo.
Come show me where it is.
Yeah.
In here?
Yes.
You don't like that?
No.
How come?
Because I don't know what it's going to be.
Do you want to have some for supper?
What?
Do you want to have sauerkraut for supper?
No.
Why?
Because I want some breakfast.
Does the sauerkraut smell yummy? No? How long are you going to keep your nose plugged for?
Something did not smell.
Until something not smells?